Jamaica, watch
something
this.
emanates from the vehicle you're driving that damages the road infrastructure, the fine is $300,000. We have not implemented it before, but we're going to implement it now.
Which means for every time cement falls from a truck and the offender is identified, a $300,000 fine will be incurred. Then for road contractors, more changes in the procurement process. Mr. Morgan said too often contractors continue to underperform, but they are still being awarded contracts.
We're working with the Public Procurement Commission and the World Bank to create a framework of grading contractor performance. It's a very careful dance that we have to manifest, because no contractor is going to want to accept that they're a bad performer. So there's a lot of...
To achieve that, Mr. Morgan said, objective tests will have to be implemented to ensure that contractors are not unfairly graded and to prevent legal issues.